check out the divisions. You got your classic rods, your imports, special construction, diesel trucks, rocket-powered cars. It's crazy.
McQueen's idea. He felt Hud would have wanted you to have it.
Hey, champ! Where?
Wait, you're not Bobby.
Name's Danny, bro.
I knew you needed a crew chief, but I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Well, I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm good.
Looks like we got some work to do.
Look alive! Reflexes are the first thing to go! Ah! Oh. Ah! What? Rusty's Racing Center?
Yeah. It's got all the fancy bells and whistles that the kids are training on these days. We'll send Mackie Boy all the directions. Now get moving, all right?
Okay. Yes!
Fancy new training center.
Guido, come! We have to pack the tires!
Hey, McQueen, you can't race in primer.
Oh yes. Lightning McQueen, I'd like to introduce you to the multi-million-dollar flagship of interactive race simulation. The XDL-24 GTS Mark C.
pal.
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great movie. Hey! Guido! Aha! Laugh it up. Real fun.
It was McQueen's idea. He felt Hud would have wanted you to have it.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief.
Wait, who was that?
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Are my sponsors happy today?
Stop winning for crying out loud. We're running out of bumper cream to sell.
Lightning McQueen! Hey, Big Tex, how's my favorite competitor?
Just say the word and I'll boot Cal off the Donico team and replace him with you.
You know I can hear you, right? I'm right here.
Bye, Cal.
I'm your host, former and forever Piston Cup champion, Chick Hicks. This just in, rookie Jackson Storm slams the proverbial door on Lightning McQueen. Oh, I couldn't have enjoyed it more if I'd beaten McQueen myself. Oh wait, I have.
It's an electronic suit. With it, we'll be able to track.
This is valuable equipment. Make sure it is properly secured for the voyage. You got it.
Hey, Professor Z! This is one of those British spies we told you about.
Yeah, this one we caught sticking.
Hello.
A Volkswagen Common Gear has no radiator.
That's because it's air cooled.
You lost your mind.
But I thought...
Beta, this chap...
Bumper to bumper as they approach the finish line. McQueen's the winner. Francesco second. And they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow!
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
There's smoke on the casino bridge.
Oh, no. It's Carla Veloso, the Brazilian race car.
French rally car Raoul Sarul is counting on a big boost headed through there.
And don't...
That's him. He's the one.
Roger that, Professor Z.
Yes, sir. We believe the infiltrator has passed along sensitive information. I will take care of it before any damage can be done.
Our last competitor, number 95, Lightning McQueen. Thank you so much for having us, Sir Axelrod. I really look forward to racing. This is a great opportunity.
Who's winning the race?
Back away!
It's Lightning McQueen.
Will you turn that disrespectful junk off? Respect the classics, man. It's Hendrix. Love out there, you know, man.
Don't embarrass me, Fillmore.
Get hip to this sound. Take that California trip. Get your kicks on Route 66.
The Honorable Doc Hudson presiding.
Show off.
May Doc have mercy on your soul.
Low and slow.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Life would be dreamy, sweetheart.
Please welcome the new Lightning McQueen!
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
I'll say. Ciao. You're gonna fit right in California. Oh my goodness, it looks like you've helped everybody in town.
Yeah, everybody except one. Hey, is it getting dark out?
You know many Ferraris.
No. They race on the European circuit. I'm in the Piston Cup. What?
Luigi follow only the Ferraris.
Just passing through?
Actually, I thought I'd stop and stay a while. I hear this place is back on the map.
It is?
Yeah, there's some rumor floating around.
Good luck in your last race. You sure been an inspiration to me.
Thanks, Junior. Appreciate it.
Hey, be careful out there, okay?
Yeah, man.
Want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Say it with me.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
You just gave up the Piston Cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
It's just an empty cup.
Oh man, the paint's still wet!
Am I holding up?
Well, it can't be more than 4. Oh, you have 6 tires, right? Well, was it 4 or 6? Huh? Hey, where'd you...